Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the JBL Quantum 650. First, remove this cup and take out the battery. This is the most important first step, then place the cup back. Start by cleaning the ear pads. Remove the first one. Just pull it off since it's magnetic, as you can see. Take off both ear pads and clean them using a damp cloth with mild soap. Make sure no moisture gets into the drivers, and use alcohol with cotton swabs for small areas like the mesh. Let all parts dry fully. You can use compressed air to help. After that, you're good to go, but never machine wash the ear pads. Do the same cleaning process for the other side. You can also wipe the rest of the headphones with a cloth. For the headband, clean it with a damp cloth to remove dirt and oils. For the exterior, just wipe it again with a cloth as mentioned. You can use alcohol or a mild solution, but always remove the battery first. Finally, clean the microphone ports with a dry cotton swab or soft brush. Avoid getting any moisture into the ports. That's it. Hope this helps. Goodbye.